So this is a free moped I got it from my friend, and apparently all it needs is a new battery. I guess batteries go there, and the brakes need to be adjusted. That's it. So here I am, gonna try to start it from my car's battery. I'm not sure if I did this right, but I tried connecting the red wire to the positive and the green wire to the negative, and there was like no signs of life on this. I guess I'm gonna take apart the seat, see if I could figure out what's going on with the wiring. So for some reason I couldn't take out the seat, so I had to tip it over, look at it from under. And it looks like the green one is like a ground neutral, whatever. The red ones, I'm not really sure what goes on to them. They kind of go under the bike and they kind of like, I don't know, maze out somewhere, so I'm gonna go check it out. I actually took apart the plastic and then tested it real quick with both the red wires connected to the negative and the green one to the positive. And it actually worked. The horn just won't shut up. So here's both the reds on the negative and the green one on the positive. Look. It's freaking hilarious. It's just stuck on that. So I have a gut feeling that this little red wire with the fuse is probably an aftermarket horn. So I'm gonna just try to connect the two terminals without that, see if this will start. Turns out I do need to have both wires connected to a negative, but for some reason now nothing happens when I connect, I guess, positive or neutral to the battery. It just doesn't turn on anymore. So I just realized I think I blew a fuse with using a car battery to start this thing. Look. Oh yeah, that thing is completely gone. Luckily I have a fuse, extra fuse in here. So turns out I blew another fuse. I guess the car battery is just too big for this little moped. Let me show you guys the luggage. It's freaking cool, dude. Who would have thought? I thought like the motor would be under here, but no, dude. This is a freaking like a luggage compartment, dude. Looks like the dude left the old mirror, a little toolkit, some cars, DMV stuff. Well, I'm gonna be taking out the carburetor from under the seat. Apparently it's easy to get to because the gas tank is right there. So I'm gonna take it apart. All right, the seat is gone, and there is my intake box right there. Follow the hose, and that is the carburetor right there. So I unscrewed the air box to make room for myself, and I found this badass looking filter, bro. I'm not sure if it's factory, but I think it's pretty cool, man. And I figured since I'm taking up the carburetor, I figured I'd empty the fuel tank. I just found the nearest line with a little hose clamp from the gas tank, took it out, and there it is, leaking yellow piss fuel. And here it is, here's a loose carburetor. It looks like a wire is attached to something in here. I'm not sure what that is exactly, but I gotta take off, looks like a screw, 2 screws from that. And that's the carburetor free. Took out the part, here's the carburetor. I'm actually kind of stunned because upon close examination, this is where I usually take a little, I guess, the belly pan to take out the jets to clean them out. But looks like they're like riveted on or something like that. I guess I gotta get creative. All right, today's a new day. We got the carburetor. This one I'm pretty sure is fairly clean. I'm not gonna open it up. Just gonna install it. So the carburetor's installed. I put the seat back on. Wasn't that exciting to show, but I also got a battery for it too. Got this on Amazon, I think for like 20 bucks. And there's a battery installed. Look how cute it is. It's so small. Time to start it. So there it is, battery installed. Gonna turn the key. What the fuck? Is the horn stuck? Okay, so the horn works. The horn works. I'm not sure this is normal, but this like ignition button gets stuck. So whenever I like press the brake, it like tries to run. You hear it? I don't think that's normal. I guess this shouldn't be stuck. Anyways, first start. Oh, now it's not doing it. Oh, okay, now it's not stuck. Oh, it dies. Here goes again. I guess I gotta give it gas. Gotta give it gas. It's dying. Oh, look at the shaft. The tire running. Oh, there it is. It's too quiet. Sounds like a sewing machine. Oh, there it is. Free moped. This is stupid, bro. It's fun though. One-handed top speed. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, life is short, so burn those tires. Peace.